If your AI answers feel a little hit or miss, it's not you, it's your prompts. So let me show you how to reverse engineer your prompts in ChatGPT so it instantly understands what you mean and delivers exactly what you want. Hello everyone, Scott Friesen here at Simpletivity, helping you to simplify your tools and grow your business. And here I am within ChatGPT, and very much like you, I'm having a conversation. I started out asking it to give me some home sales data for the greater Seattle area, and then I've refined that down to just a couple of specific counties within the Seattle area. And okay, this is good information, but then I continue to ask it to break it down, and then I'm going to ask it to format it into a simple table. But this is something that I want to repurpose. This is something that I want to use again and again. I don't want to have to come back next month or next week and give it all of this information. Once I've refined everything, I want to be able to have one single prompt that I can use again and again. And yes, I've shown you how to create custom GPTs in the past, but that can take an awful lot of time to create. And for some of the things that we want out of AI, we don't need to create an entire custom GPT. We just need to use a very, very good prompt. So further down, I've come down to this table format, which is great, right? It's a nice simple table showing the two counties, homes sold year over year. It's in the format that I want. And I even asked it to give it a short takeaway because maybe I want to share this on social media. Maybe I want to share this in a brief email newsletter. Well, here is the payoff, and this is what I want you to use the next time you want to create a single prompt to get exactly what you want. Reverse engineer this entire chat and generate a single prompt that would have produced this final response the first time. Now, don't worry, you don't have to stop and pause the video. I've included it in the description down below, so you can simply copy and paste this prompt. But here is exactly what it has produced. Now, I'm not going to read it out for you. That's not the important part. The important thing is that it has given me a single prompt that I can now copy. I can paste it in a folder or maybe a master document. If I happen to use a text expander, maybe I want to save this for a couple of special keystrokes so that I can pull it up when I want to. But here is the real test. Let's take this prompt. We are going to copy it. And remember, this is what the table and the takeaway looks like in this first one. Let's start a brand new chat. All we're going to do is paste that reversed prompt, right? That reversed engineered prompt into the chat. And we're going to say, do its thing. Yes, it has to go and search the web. It has to go and find some of those numbers. But is it going to be close? I'd say it's better than close. It's almost exactly what we had in the previous chat. I have the table, I have the two specific counties, and I have this little takeaway snippet at the end as well. So if there is something that you want to repurpose, be sure to copy and paste that reverse engineer prompt so that you can get the results that you need that much faster. If you like this video, be sure to let me know. And if you have further questions on how to get the most out of ChatGPT, why not ask me a question down below in the comments? And if you like this video, I'm sure you're going to like one of the two videos on screen now. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, being productive does not need to be difficult. In fact, it's very simple.